Okay, so today I'm going to teach you how to use a Mac instead of using a Windows, which I know is very, very familiar to most people, but I'm going to teach you the best thing about a Mac. And I'm going to tell you what I do in class. So first, usually I go in class, I pull up my laptop, and sadly the first thing I do is go on the internet and type in Facebook. Alrighty, search all the pictures, I see my Facebook. No notifications, a little bit sad. But since I don't want to go there, I'm actually going to go to Pinterest now. This is all before class starts, I promise. Just scroll down, kind of look around. Alrighty, I see something that I want to post to Facebook. Alright, so what I'm going to do is take 2 fingers, and all I have to do is swipe to the left on my trackpad, and do it again. And it takes me straight back to Facebook. So I don't actually have to hit the back button. All of this can be done just with finger commands. Now I'm still on Facebook, and Mr. Orms is walking down the aisle coming my direction, and he wants to, see the notes that I've written, and so I want to get my Facebook off really quickly without scattering and trying to hit the X. So what I need to do is I'm going to take 3 fingers, my index finger, my middle finger, and my ring finger. I'm going to swipe them up at the same time that I swipe my thumb down. And it gets off my screen. Now he can't see what I have up there. He turns around and walks down the aisle the other way. I swipe my Facebook back. Now as I'm checking all this, I get a notification up here in the top right that I have an email. So I take 2 fingers, I start off the trackpad, and I'm going to swipe to the left. Oh, I'm going to minimize it first. There we go. And it says I have no new notifications. Okay, so all my emails, everything will go there. I see I have 7 emails. I already checked them. That's why it's not showing up over here on my notification bar. But that's how I can check that. Now, instead of being on the internet, I want to check and see if I can open the App Store. Instead of having to go and find the App Store down here in my applications or anything, I can actually swipe with the same 3 fingers and my thumb together towards the middle of my trackpad, and it pulls up my launch pad. My launch pad has all the applications that I have. Okay, I'm going to swipe that back out. I'm going to swipe it out again, so now I'm on my main screen. I'm sitting here and I am wondering what the weather is outside so that I know if I need to put my jacket on before I go out. To do that, I'm going to take 3 fingers and I'm going to swipe it to the left. And it's going to pull up another launch pad that has the weather, it has the time, a calculator, even a little game for me. It has sticky notes if I have to write myself a reminder. It also has a calendar, and my favorite thing, it has all the movies that are out in the movies right now. And if I click on one, it'll pull up, it'll tell me when it's playing, where it's playing, and it will give me a little bit of a summary on it. Okay. Now to get out of this application, I just take my 3 fingers and swipe it back to the right to the other screen. And here I am, back on the front screen. Alrighty. I hope that you've learned a little bit about the Mac today, and I hope I can answer any of your questions if you have any.